Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to start for now discuss for the one particular topics, and today my topics are there are a lot of students we ask that sir how to be creates on the sentences. Just be thinks your minds and just you start on you should start on the works, and I think about you first of all you start on the seconds by sentences. Just we don't follow on the seconds, you don't scan to a seconds by, then you cons or creates or will. Just you start for now simples, then you start for the before time of study, and before time study, then class 11 to 6 5 standard 1 2 3 4 5, this type of standards do we read that, then we that times we follow that, and then we speak in English are very well. Since sir, so each and every day I know that for each MR I know that there are a lot of persons we know that all of there are a lot of persons we all of the words English speaking, there are a lot of words persons are learn that are grammar, but they should not speak. Then why? I think about the nouns or follow on the sequences. Just you think your minds after that, then I speak that, then I speak, then you speak that. Then you learn that. You don't think your minds, I could know, you think you don't, you think your minds, I don't, or you speaks, and then I learn that. This is a not simple. Just I think about, this is a very hard up. There are a lot of persons we are learn the sentences, but we could not explain, we could not represent. Then why? It means that or the not contemporary good songs and good notes representations power. Just this type of practices. Do you think I think about minds, and just I those are words I speak there. First of all, before times then practices. Then I will speak that. In the same way you think your minds, and how will you start for the sequences, then we are speak that. Just you think your minds, then you then we are sequences. Firstly you as 11 is वन स्टैंडर्ड्स इज एम आर टू इज एम आर आपने 11th स्टैंडर्ड में इज एम आर पढ़ा होगा, और इज एम और क्या हो गया दिस दैट दोज हो गया, दिस दोज पढ़े होंगे। इस टाइप से आप सेक्वेंसेस को सीखते जाएंगे। उसके बाद टेंस पढ़े होंगे, उसके बाद कुछ आप नाउन प्रोनाउन पढ़े होंगे। दिस टाइप फॉलो दैट देन वी आर स्पीक दैट। आप इस चीज़ को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे देन वी डोंट आर स्पीक इन इंग्लिश आर गुड्स, आप इंग्लिश अच्छे से नहीं बोल पाएंगे। जस्ट वी आर ट्राई टू आर सेकेंड्स बाय डू यू कैंस, एंड इट मीन्स दैट ऑल ऑफ द नॉलेज देन गिव अप। यदि आपको सभी नॉलेज मिल गया है देन वी आर जस्ट वी स्पीक दैट यू प्रैक्टिस यू मेक इन प्रैक्टिस टाइम में अपने इंक्लूड करते जाइए। जस्ट यू मेक इंक्लूड्स ऑन द प्रैक्टिस टाइम देन यू स्टार्ट ऑन द गुड स्पीकर। You don't this type of practices, then you don't or follow that, you don't or speak in English or the expression your representations are not good, then you don't are able to success. Success is not a simple appeal. It means that those persons we learn that English is not a success. It means that before times or generations we can that's also our times we use on English. Also time we can do technologically every person we are learn that's English. Just you think your minds I want those are words I different that then any one persons I want to be this type of words, and you start that, and we are the could you start on the spoke that those are words you learn that then you spoke, you don't spoke then we want to be not having success. Just like the practices then we want to be get it. So that's all for now. You ladies and gentlemen, just we are practices then we want to be get it. That's all for now. Thank you everyone.